Guys, if you've been struggling with views on your YouTube channel, then please keep watching this video, because I'm going to be sharing with you some actual working method, like some steps that can actually help you grow your YouTube channel. As I'm speaking with you right now, this is the same steps I use for this my particular channel you're watching me from, and I'll be using it on my faceless channel in just a matter of a few days. In less than 20 days, guys, I've gotten so much results on that channel. I've been able to accumulate over 1,000 watch hours on that channel already, and 500 subscribers plus. Do you understand me? Using these techniques. So if you have been struggling, this is the best time for you to calm down and watch all of my techniques. Just copy me. You don't have to stress yourself, okay? This is actually working for me, and I know it will work for you as well. So if it's your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop videos like this that can actually help your YouTube channel grow. Because trust me, on YouTube, your growth is based on the strategies that you apply. Now, I'm going to share the first tip with you. The first tip I actually use in this particular channel and on my faceless channel, like I told you about, is picking a niche. Now, if you want to know about that faceless channel, you can also drop it in the comment section, and I'll share everything about that channel, including the analytics and other things that you need to know. Okay, so just let me know if you want to learn how to create a faceless channel, and also listen to these tips to help your face channel as well. Now, the first thing I did, like I said before, is picking a niche. Now, when creating a channel, your niche is very important, okay? And there are top tier countries like the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, and Europe. When people from these countries watch your videos, it makes your YouTube channel grow faster and have high CPM and RPM. And it is wise for you to actually choose a niche that people from this part of the world are actually interested in. So that was the first thing I look at for creating this channel, because I mean, everybody wants to grow their YouTube channel because they are people that are growing their channel from all parts of the world. Do you understand? They want to blow up their channel, and that's why I started this niche. And second of all, the faceless channel I'm talking about, the niche I'm doing there is also very interesting. If you want to know about it, leave it in the comments and I'll share it. Okay, if I get a lot of response about this faceless channel, I'm going to be sharing all of the everything that concerns the channel. Okay, now I picked a niche that actually resonates around the US or the top tier countries audience. Okay, there are audience that like to watch this, so I had to make my research, and I found out a particular niche that actually resonate around these tier countries that can actually boost my views. And guess what, guys? Is working. Is actually working a lot. So when you are picking a channel, a niche, make sure you pick a niche that resonates around the top tier countries so that they can actually engage your videos. Next thing I did is, after creating my videos, I always rename my video files. Okay, a subscriber of mine asked for this, and I would tag her to this particular video. I'm going to be showing you a simple demo of how you can create or how you can rename your file. Okay, let me just go ahead and show you that right now. Now, let's assume this is my video. All I have to do is just click on this share button. Okay, this arrow going up, that's the one you use to change the name. If you're using an iPhone, okay, click on this share button, and then it will show you all of these options. Look for save to files. Are you seeing the name image 97 something? You have to change it to the video title, like what your video is all about. Let's assume YouTube growth is mine, so change it according to how your video is. You understand what your video is talking about, and save it like that. Now let's go and check inside files. Let me show you what happened. Okay, look at it, click on files. Now see the video right there, YouTube growth. So if you're using an Android, it's still the same thing. Just click on options and click on rename. So when you want to upload using Chrome, make sure you look for this particular one that has YouTube growth as a new name. Do you understand? When you click on this, YouTube actually knows that this is your video, and when anybody search for YouTube growth or anything you rename your video to on the search bar, your videos will be popping up along with other big creators. So that's how it's done, guys. Now, another thing I did for this particular channel is, after uploading my videos, I clicked on this particular AutoDub features. A lot of you don't know that YouTube has actually made this available to you. So I'm going to be showing you a demo to actually go ahead and check your YouTube channel, like your YouTube dashboard, to see if this feature has been available or open to you. In this particular feature is like the advanced subtitle method. Okay, I've dropped videos before now to add subtitles to your videos so that your viewers from all over the world can actually watch your videos. It will help your channel. But this particular one, it actually turns your as in audio to each language. Like I'm speaking English right now, but for this channel, I can actually switch my voice after turning on auto dubbing, and I'll be talking in any language at all: Italian, Spanish, Hindi, whatever language at all. I'll be speaking like that even while I'm speaking English. So this feature is actually blowing up small channels, guys. Go ahead and check yours after this video. Now let me show you a quick demo on how to activate it.
And to activate this auto dubbing, you have to go to your YouTube dashboard, okay? So in order for you to get to this part, you can just go ahead and use your Chrome browser and click or search for YouTube dashboard, okay? Or you use studio.youtube.com. Either ways, it will show you this one, but don't use the YouTube Studio because it will redirect you back to the normal app. Use YouTube dashboard. Now, when you are here, look for settings. Click on these settings, okay? Now look for upload default. Click on advanced settings. Scroll down, just go down, look at it, automatic dubbing. It says automatically translates your audio tracks into different languages and adds them to your video. This is the feature, guys. This is like the advanced subtitle method. It will make your audio or your speech turn to any languages at all. It's AI generated, so but it will translate your language. Do you understand? So anybody from any part of the world, because there are some people that use languages on YouTube, they don't use English, is already a standby settings. So when they come across your video and your video is speaking their language because of how they activated it on their phone, they will stop by and watch your videos. Do you understand? So allow automatic dubbing. Is that you manually review the dubs or you just let the YouTube app do its thing? Okay, I'll just go ahead and turn this off right now because they know how to activate it by themselves. Do you understand? Now go ahead and click on save. That's it for the auto dubbing, guys. This way your videos will be speaking in different language.
Now the next thing I do is after uploading my videos, I go ahead and watch it by myself. Okay, so what you can do right here, you can actually create like 3 to 5 YouTube channels on your phone. Like for me, I have 2 phones, so I have about 4 or 2 channels in each phone. What I do is after uploading the video, I watch to the end. Please don't do clickbait. Don't watch and just leave it 1 second. YouTube will not push that video. So if your video is 5 minutes to 8 minutes long, make sure you watch from the beginning to the end using your channel. Then after like 2 hours, you can switch to the other channel and also watch it and leave a comment and leave a like. That's what I do for these both channels, and it's actually blowing up, giving me a lot of views, guys. So you can actually try this out. Another thing I do is I put a call to action in my comment section. Okay, I can ask you to subscribe, or I can actually pin another video link that you can watch. Like if you check my YouTube description, all of my videos, I put a lot of videos in my link, and I also attach my playlist as well. Okay, so if you want to get views and subscribers, you can actually pin your comment. Even if you don't pin your own comment, maybe a subscriber leaves a very good comment in your video, you can as well pin it. Do you understand? That thing I did or I do for this channel and my other channel is I always reply to comments. Okay, when people comment on your post, reply to comment. If it's comment that ends in a discussion, or if it's a comment that continues, you can either end the discussion or you can continue as a discussion too. So always reply to your comments, because comments are a means of engagement. When YouTube algorithm sees that a lot of people are commenting and comments are coming into that particular post, they will see it as interesting and they will keep pushing that particular video. Okay, and something else I'm also using to grow my channels is being consistent, posting, at least showing up at least every week. Okay, on my faceless channel, I post on a daily basis. On this channel, I also do the same, but recently I've not been posting on a daily basis. But what am I trying to say? Posting frequently or consistently is actually helping both channels grow really fast. Do you understand me? So when you are creating a channel, don't create a channel that you will abandon by the wayside. Don't abandon the channel when the channel starts dropping in analytics or is not getting views. When you want to create a YouTube channel, have the mindset that under the sun and in the rain, you will be there posting. Do you understand? This way, your channel will be blowing up. It will just be, even if you have been having low engagement for 3 weeks, a day will just come and your channel will spring up. Do you understand me? So consistency is just another way I've been using to grow my channel. And now the almighty tips is optimization. Guys, optimizing your video, like using video titles, good thumbnails, using video tags, channel tags, hashtags. All of these things are a pro feature that you should never overlook, guys. These things are helping my channels grow really fast. Optimization has actually brought a lot of views to my channel. As I'm speaking to you, I have a video that is more than 11,000 views already on a new channel that is less than 30 days, guys, because of proper optimization. So if you don't know how to optimize your video, watch this video and you'll see everything you need to know about optimization. So guys, all of these things I've been using for my channels and it's been working for me. So what is the challenges you're having in your channel? What have you tried out that it didn't work for you or worked for you, let me know in the comment section, guys. If you want more pro tips, just let me know. Whatever video request you have, leave it in the comment section as well, and I will make a video and help you fix it. We are all growing together, so comment if you want to go together, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. My name is Joy. Bye for now.